Magandang araw. Ito na yung continuation ng paggawa ng Flask RESTful API at ang focus ko dito ay makagawa ng EventMember API. Excuse me. O yung part na pwedeng i-add yung member sa specific na event. Unang gagawin ko yung create event member record at kagaya dun sa last video, note lang na same concept lang ito ng CRUD or yung create, read, update, delete katulad sa event records sa previous videos. Ang naiba lang yung table at fields na ginagalaw ko. So, up dot route event underscore member methods is equals to post. Tapos define ng function na mag-execute pag nag-request ng ganyang route. So def create event underscore event underscore member at colon. So kailangan kong check if there is data gamit yung walrus operator. So if event underscore member underscore data is colon / request that get underscore JSON, and may gagawin tayong dito something. So return, siguro pass na lang muna, buburahin ko rin naman. Else kailangan ko mag-return ng error message, return JSONify, at ang ilalagay ko ay dictionary na error, tapos ang value ko ay no data passed, katulad ng mga ibang error same message lang din. Tapos ngayon, kung meron siyang data, kailangan kong i-check kung existing yung event. So iba to dun sa mga naunang, may logic siyang iba. So if member hindi pala, event walrus operator event.query.filter by id is equals to yung event, gawin ko siyang integer para lang hindi mag-error. Tapos ang kukunin ko is yung event underscore id. Tapos first, kailangan ko lang naman i-check kung existing yung event na yan. So if pass, else kailangan ko mag-throw ng error na error na event not found. So palitan ko yan, event not found. Okay, so after ko naman ma-check kung existing naman yung event, may isa pa akong kailangang i-check. So lagyan ko ng comment, check if event is existing. Tapos kailangan ko dito check if event member is existing. So if member is walrus operator, kakopy ko na lang to. Tapos ang kailangan kong i-query ay yung member na table. Tapos ang kailangan kong i-match sa ID niya is yung member ID, member underscore ID. First, pass, else kailangan natin mag-throw ng error na return member not found. Save. At okay, so ngayon tapos na yung validation. Meron pa akong kailangang isang validation, which is Kailangan kong i-stop kung itong member ba na to ay already existing na dun sa event kasi parang magre-register yung isang member sa isang event tapos i-register niya yung dalawang account na yon, so dapat mag-error din yan. So kasi wala namang duplicate na tao sa mundo, so kailangan kong i-check. So if event underscore member exist, variable lang siya, tapos gagamitin ko si walrus operator ulit. Tapos dito punta ko sa event member na table dot query dot filter, hindi filter by So ngayon, kasi mas marami akong kailangan condition, filter, so event underscore id, which is yung table ng event member. Kailangan kong i-check kung existing na ba tong event id na to. Dapat pala double, hindi, isa lang, or pwede ring double. Tapos kailangan ko rin si member underscore id is equals to ito naman, member id. Okay, tapos dudugtungan ko siya ng dot first, then pass, or else pass. So ang gagawin ko dito, kailangan ko mag-return ng error na okay, so existing na yung teka lang, ba't parang doble? If member, dito yan. Okay, kung existing na yung member, which is meron ng meron ng record na merong event ID na yung pinasa, tas para sa member din na yon, kailangan ko mag-error na sasabihin kong event member already exists. Save. Ngayon, oops, wala na naman. Save. Ngayon, pagka hindi pa siya existing, ito na yung time na i-create ko yung record. So, new underscore event underscore member. Instantiate ko yung class na event member. Event member. Say, create the or create the instance event member. Tapos ang ilalagay ko dito yung event underscore id, at ang magiging value niya is ito. Tapos ganun din si member data, member underscore member data, member id is equals to ito, at yung status kailangan kong i-copy to, tapos status. Save. Tapos kailangan ko i-commit sa DB. May error siya, status, walang comma. So kailangan ko na siyang i-commit. So session db.session.add, tapos ipapasa ko tong bagong instance, tapos db.session.commit. Tapos kailangan ko na lang mag-throw ng success message. Throw success message. Copy ko tong comment. At sasabihin ko sa kanyang message, event member has been created. Save it. Tapos i-run ko siya kasi nag-error kanina. Okay, ngayon itetest ko na siya sa Postman. So duplicate ko lang yung last record, rename ko siya as create member. Mali. Edit. Create event member. Create event member. Tapos ang method niya ay post. Tapos ang route ko ay event member. Yan. Tapos ang header ko, application JSON. Tapos sa body, kailangan ko ng JSON, JSON na ipasa. JSON data. So, ang kailangan ko lang naman dito ay event ID, member ID, tsaka status. So, event underscore ID, ID is equals to, ano ba yung existing ID ko? Read on event, send. So, meron akong isang event na ID1. Create event 1. Tapos event member underscore ID. Tapos read all member ko lang. So, meron akong ID1. Excuse me. 1. Tapos ang status ko, siguro sasabihin kong pending. Save ko yan. Tapos i-send ko yung request at event underscore ID. So may error daw sa aking application. Excuse me. Event ID. Event ID. Event ID. Tama naman Tingnan ko nga yung body ko. Event underscore ID, member underscore ID. At anong klaseng error yung binigay niya sa akin? If event underscore member exists, unexpected argument event. Baka dahil if event underscore member underscore exists, event member that query that filter. So, try ko nga yung double equal sign. And event ID is not defined in workspace debugger. Event underscore ID. Event member, event ID. Event member. Event underscore member. Event ID is not defined. Event ID is not defined. Subukan ko nga to. Send event ID. Member dot query filter by ID is equals to event ID. Got unexpected error. Event ID member event ID, which is tama naman siya dito. If member ID exists, if event member underscore exists, event member dot query dot filter, event underscore ID. So baka kailangan ko ilagay yung table name. Subukan natin. Save. At hindi yun. Event member is not defined. Event member that Hello? Teka lang, ipopost ko muna at i-debug ko siya. At yun, na-debug ko na siya. So, ang mali ko lang pala ay wala ako nitong ganito. Si event underscore ID. Ginawa ko na rin siya kanina. Pero parang hindi naman siya yung error. Pero nandito pala. So, even member. Na-misspell ko lang. So, dapat siya event member. Save ko yan. So, pag nagre-run ako sa Postman, yun. Event member has been created. At try ko siyang i-resend ulit. At yun, event member already exists. Tapos, try ko rin siguro mag non-existing member. So, pupunta lang sa body. Sabihin ko ng 10 dahil wala akong ganyang ID. And member not found. Tapos, non-existing na event. Event not found. Okay? Tapos, ang gagawin ko naman yung pag-read ng event member record depende sa input na event ID. At so bakit ganon? Kasi itong event underscore member na table, ito ay parang pivot table yung term. At link lang siya ng event table at member table. So in reality, hindi ko naman kailangang ma-read lahat ng data niya. So ang kailangan ko lang talaga ay makuha yung members na under ng specific event. So, gawa ko ng read all event underscore member records based on given event underscore ID. So, up that route event event underscore member underscore by underscore event underscore ID. Ang haba nga lang ng pangalan niya. So, magte-take in siya ng parameter na event underscore ID. Tapos, ang kanyang methods or method ay get. Tapos, def read all event member by ang haba ng pangalan ID, tapos i-take in ko siya si event underscore ID. So, itong route yung sasalo sa itong function yung sasalo dun sa route or yung mag-execute dun sa route. So, kailangan ko ulit gumawa ng empty list all event members underscore output equals to an empty list. Create empty list. Tapos loop all record. Kailangan kong mag-loop yung para makuha ko yung individual members. So for event underscore member in all underscore teka lang. Kulang ako ng check kung meron pang event member. So if all underscore event members, check ko lang kung may laman pala yung record. Walrus operator equal sign, tapos magku-query ako sa event dot member dot query dot filter underscore by by ang iti-take in kong condition ay yung event underscore ID. Ito yung table name. Tapos, ang ipapasa ko ay yung in-input na event ID ng postman or kung saan man nag-request yun. Tapos, dot all. Kasi lahat ng record kukunin ko. So, pass. Else, magre-return ako ng error. Return JSONify dictionary error no event underscore member found. Tapos ito, ipapasa ko siya sa loob ng condition. Create an empty list, loop all records. So, if event member, ito yung individual member or individual event member. Tapos, ilulup ko siya. So, bali kukunin ko lahat ng individual event member na nandito sa object na to. So, ang gagawa ko ng each underscore event is equals to isang blank na dictionary. So, build individual record. Tapos, each underscore event return ko pala yung ID is equals to event member.id. Copy ko yan. Control D, event underscore member, paste ulit, Control D, member underscore ID, ito pala hindi, event underscore ID. What? Okay, so error na naman. This URL must start with leading slash. Oops. Wow. Very handy yung error niya. Error message niya. URL must start with leading slash. Okay, so ngayon, na-build ko na yung individual event. Hindi pala to event eh. Nalilito lang ako sa pangalan. So, each event member. Each event member, nilagyan ko na siya ng data. Member, event member ID, event ID, member ID. Kailangan ko nang build yung output list. So, copy ko to, dot append, as ang ilalagay ko itong dictionary na to. Tapos, after nyan, exit na ako sa loop. Tapos, magto-throw na ako ng success message. Ay, hindi pala. Throw all the gathered records. So, return JSONify list. Tapos sasabihin ko siyang event underscore member, which is yung pangalan lang ng table. Tapos, colon, kung ano yung pangalan ng list na to. Save at subukan ko na sa postman, duplicate, rename, read event underscore member by event ID. So, event member, lalagay ko yung event ID na 1 siguro. Sa body, hindi ko kailangan. Save ko siya at send. The requested event underscore member is not found. Oops. Kasi nga, yung URL ko medyo mahaba. Method not allowed. Get. And may error na naman. Let's see. Circular detected. Circular reference detected. So all event members is equals to event member dot query dot filter by event ID is equal to event ID dot all members output is equals to a blank list for event underscore member in all event members. Return JSONify event underscore members all event members output. That's weird. Dapat walang error yun ah. Send circular. Try ko nga itong i-comment, baka nandito yung error. Postman send. Ay, nandito nga yung error. So for event member in event member in all event members, each event member. So ang dapat na ilagay ko ay yung individual event member, hindi yung sarili niya. So subukan ko na yan. At yun, na-pick up ko na. So kung mag-create pa ako ng read all member, ilan ba yung member ko? Mag-create pa ako ng isa pang member. Remel 3 3 3 3 at malapit na yung number ko. Send member has been created, read all members. So meron akong ID na 2 at ilalagay ko na rin siya. So event ID 1 para lang makapag-test ako ng dalawa. So read ko yung all event member at yun, nakakapagbasa na siya ng dalawang dalawang records. Ngayon, gagawin ko naman yung pag-read ng event member record, depende naman sa member ID. So ganun din kanina, pero this time ang kailangan kong makuha lahat ng sinalihan na event ng isang member. So minimize natin yan, ay liitan, copy ko to, tapos i-paste ko na lang siya dito, tapos by member event member underscore ID, tapos pangalanan ko na rin yung variable member ID, copy ko siya at read all member. Bakit ganito yung pangalan ko? So dapat to member underscore ID at dapat to ay event ID. Supposedly dapat wala siyang error kasi function lang naman yung pinalitan ko. Okay, so ngayon nagtitake in na ako ng member ID. So dapat event underscore member yung database field. Ang kukunin ko ay yung based sa ang i-query ko ay yung based sa in-input ng user na member ID. So fetch all event members output, walang problema yan. In all event member, each event member, each event. So supposedly dapat gagana rin siya. So duplicate ko siya. Tapos rename ko by member underscore ID. Tapos, dapat siya nakaget. Okay, event by member underscore ID. 1. Body, wala. Header, okay. Save at send. At may error na naman ako. Event underscore member. Each event member. So all event members by member ID. Subukan na natin. Okay. So na-pick up niya ito lahat ng events na sinalihan ng member. So siguro mag-create pa ako ng read ko yung lahat ng event. At mag-create pa ako ng isa pang event. Event number 3. Send. Read ko lahat ng event. At meron akong ID number 2. So, dito sa create event member, yung member 1, isasali ko siya sa dalawang event. Tapos, ito, yun, dalawa na yung na-retrieve niyang record. At ngayon, gagawin ko naman yung pag-update ng event member record, which is sa case na to, is yung dapat yung status lang. Kasi hindi ko pwedeng i-edit yung mga primary key kasi yun eh. Okay, so, delete event update, delete event underscore member, up.route, event underscore member, magti-take in siya ng ID na kung ano yung i-delete. Tapos methods is equals to delete, which is yung HTTP verb. Tapos def update. Masyado akong excited mag-delete. Madali kasi. So update event member underscore status. Tapos ipapasok ko yung ID. So ito na yung function na sasalo dun sa route. Tapos ang gagawin ko lang naman dito ay i-check ko kung merong data ang pinasa. So if event underscore member underscore data is equals walrus operator equals to request that get underscore JSON. So pass, else kailangan ko mag-throw ng error, no event member found. At dito kailangan kong i-check kung yung i-update ko ba ay existing. So if update and event underscore data member walrus operator ulit. Tapos kailangan kong i-query kung existing siya. Event member.query.filter underscore by ID, which is yung database table, tapos yung in-input na ID. That first. Pass, else, makalimutan ko na naman. Mag-throw tayo ng error na ito pala, no data. Pass, no event member found. Ngayon kung meron, update event underscore member, update the instance is equal to status lang pala, status is equal to event underscore member underscore data, tapos status. Tapos since since update siya, db.session.commit na lang. Tapos, magto-throw na rin ako ng success message. At ang sasabihin ko lang sa kanya ay message event member has status has been updated. Save ko siya at meron na namang error sa else. Invalid syntax. Kulang ng indentions. Okay, so ngayon, itry ko na siya sa Postman. So mag-duplicate ko lang to. Rename, update, event member status. Tapos ang put, ang aking is HTTP verb. Ang aking route ay ito. Tapos yung ID na 1, tingnan ko nga muna dito. So C1. At hindi ko pala in-output yung status kanina. So bakit wala akong status? So, each event member status is equals to event underscore member dot status. Save at subukan ko lang muna tong i-read. Ayan, nandiyan na yung status. Okay, so ngayon, pending yung status na itong event. Itong ID1. So dito sa update, pwede ko siyang palitan ng status approve. Kunwari. Tapos, ang pinapasok kong ID ay yung 1. Save ko siya. At event member status has been updated. So, pag bumalik ako dito sa read, ayan, approve na yung status niya. Plus na gagawin ko is yung delete ng event member, which is yung pinakamadali sa lahat. So, delete event underscore member at app.route. Tapos, event underscore member ID, kailangan ko rin i-fetch kung anong record yung i-delete ko. Methods is equals to delete. Kanina ko pa siya gustong gawin. So, def delete underscore event member. Tapos, ipasa natin yung ID na gusto nating i-delete. Tapos, if delete member, kailangan kong i-check kung existing ba yan. Member event member walrus operator event member query filter by, ito yung database table ID, ibabangga mo siya sa user input first, yan, pass or else, kailangan natin mag-return ng error na no event member found. Copy and paste. Tapos dito, madali lang to eh. db.session.delete. Tapos ipasa ko yung instance na i-delete ko. db.session.commit. And deleted na siya. So kailangan ko na lang mag-throw ng success message. Commit to db or save to db. Message event member has been deleted. Save ko yan at postman ulit. Duplicate, rename, delete, event underscore member. So change ko yung status as delete. At C1 yung i-delete ko. So, hindi ko kailangan ng JSON data. So pag sinend ko yan, event member status has been deleted. So um, hindi siya dapat ganyan. So event member has been deleted lang. So try ko na siyang i-read. Ito. Pag ni-resend ko yan, isa na lang yung laman niya. Okay. Dahil tapos na yung event member APIs ko, mag-stop muna ako dito at salamat.